We are taught to measure growth by movement, by the noise of progress, the visible climb, the relentless forward march. But what if the most profound growth doesn't look like that at all? Sometimes growth looks like stillness. It looks like the quiet pause between the notes, the held breath before the dawn. It's the courage to stop when the world tells you to keep going, to simply be right where you are. In these moments, it's easy to mistake this quiet for defeat, to see the lack of motion as a sign that you've fallen behind. But stillness is not failure, it's alignment. It is a sacred recalibration. It's the universe inviting you to shed the layers that are not yours, to listen to the subtle frequency of your own soul, and to find your true north again, not on a map, but within the landscape of your own heart. There are seasons in every life where nothing seems to move. The path forward is obscured, the air thick with uncertainty. You watch others race ahead, their lives a vibrant blur of activity, while yours feels muted, suspended in time. The silence can feel deafening, the stillness, a weight. You feel paused, as if the film of your life has frozen on a single, unremarkable frame. You feel stuck, caught in the amber of yesterday's unresolved stories. You feel lost, a ship without a rudder, drifting on an endless, quiet sea. This is the heart of the quiet season. But this silence isn't an absence of life, it's an abundance of listening. This stillness isn't a void, it's a vessel being filled. It is preparation. Deep beneath the surface, where no one can see, you are gathering strength, deepening your roots, and weaving the threads of resilience that will hold you together when the storms come. Like the deep, dreaming sleep of winter before the riot of spring, your quiet season is not just a phase to be endured, it is profoundly necessary. It is nature's sacred law. It's where you finally have the space to learn the lessons you were moving too fast to see. It's where you reflect on who you were, so you can consciously decide who you want to become. It's where you heal the quiet fractures within. It's where you rebuild your foundation, not with the same old stones, but with stronger, wiser materials. Remember, nothing in nature blooms all year. The mighty oak sheds its leaves. The rosebush stands bare with its thorns. The fertile field lies fallow. To demand constant blossoming is to defy the very rhythm of life. This fallow period is not empty. It is restoring its nutrients, preparing for a future harvest. So if your life has slowed to a whisper, lean in and listen. Trust the process. Trust the quiet. Trust that your energy is being conserved for a reason. Rest is not the opposite of growth. It is an integral part of the ascent. Rest is part of rising. Do not rush this sacred pause. Do not try to force a bloom out of season. The sun will return. The ground will thaw. The energy you have so carefully cultivated in the dark will begin to stir. And when the season inevitably shifts, you won't have to strive. You won't have to force. You will simply be ready to bloom.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.